Did you know that Blackmagic AI has a Detectron2 cloud API? Now that you know, let's see how you can get started. All right, first, what is it? The Detectron2 Cloud Vision API is an open-source implementation of the Detectron2 algorithm. What is the Detectron2 algorithm? Detectron2 is a Facebook AI researcher's next-generation library that provides state-of-the-art detection and segmentation algorithms for your projects. All right, now how do you get started? To get started using the Cloud API, first you'll go to the Blackmagic AI Patreon page, and you could sign up for the Detectron2 API key membership. Then, once you get your API key, you can head over to the Blackmagic AI Swagger Hub page and use your API key to test the Detectron2 example. So that documents our API and gives you all the information you need to make calls to our API. Now, for additional support, you can also go to the Blackmagic AI Detectron2 Cloud Vision API repo on our GitHub site. And that has additional code in Java and Python that shows you how to make calls to the API and also how to process the return data, segment your input image. In addition, we also have some video tutorials on our YouTube channel. Well, that concludes this summary video by Blackmagic AI. You can go to blackmagicai.com, like us on Facebook, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, thank you for watching.